everybody สบายดีเนาะมื้อนี้อันนี้ผักอีตูนี่ this is the same thing with the family with basil ผักอีตูลาวthey call ผักอีตู I have some eggplant อันนี้หมักแข้งเนาะ the same thing like eggplant after that I have some lemongrass อันนี้ chili อันนี้หน่อไว้หน่อแย่ฮะพี่น้อง and I don't know how to call it in English หน่อแย่แล้วก็ red onion I gonna make some หมูสมกเนาะ smoke pork hook or something like that and I gonna make the look like similar like stew and after that I gonna cut some vegetable you guys come with me okay stay with me don't go anywhere if you want to know how to make หมูสมกใส่หน่อแย่เนาะโอเคอันนี้มาปิดมาแข่งน้ำกันเอาแต่เม็ดมันนี่เด้ออุ๊บรีบเอาในนี้ใส่ไปทุกอย่างอะไรมันนี่มาแข่งมันยังกระใส่ไปเบิดเลยนะyou knowแบบเป็นบุหูวัดสิอ้อเนี่ยได้กับบุหูแต่คอยว่าอ้อไว้อ้อน้อยแย่ใส่หมูสมกนะหลังจากนั้นแหละ after that I'm gonna cut some eggplant cut the bite size okay and choke with the water smoke pork hook okay and I cut small bite size and I boil a little bit clean with the hot water and after that I gonna continue to boil this one a little bit okay after that cut lemongrass one เขาเบื่อเด้อ I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of this 2.5 I want a little bit thick some chili depend you like spicy or not but I like a little bit spicy you know it's more flavor and after that I'm gonna add some red onion add some water and a little bit lime leaf okay then now I add some little bit water when you cook the smoked pork hook and different from the raw pork you know this one is cooked already but only you have to cook a little bit more because choose you know tendon or those you know and after that I just wanted you guys to follow me because now I just add couple piece of lemongrass you know and add some 1 cup of water all right and my can that's one I'm gonna add here because it's hard to cook this one and I add a little bit early you know my grandma like to eat this a lot and she like to cook with the catfish orปลาดุกนะ you know in Lao she like to ผลห้องใส่ใบอีเลิศyou know something like that that's how my grandma like to do I'm gonna add some น้ำยานางเนาะthe yanang liquid this one I blend and I put in the freezer my grandma say every time she make she like to use the lime leaf sorry because my grandma see wait until this small eggplant cook okay and cook really good and you can add all the ingredient in there all those we like to eat with sticky rice or steam rice and jasmine rice or eat any kind but not eat with the bread and double check with this thing okay if this thing soft then mean you can add all the ingredient if not you have to wait a little bit I'm gonna add a little bit more water really dark. The color is dark. Look at that. But it's okay, you know. I like it. Okay, everybody. I think is the pork is ready already, and I'm gonna add all ingredient. นอแย่นะเคยกินบ่นอแย่ทาง Texas เนาะ Texas they have this one, but in California they don't have it, I think. But this one from Texas, I bought a $10 bag, Ziploc bag. I'm gonna add this to the pot, okay? Bitter. This one is really bitter. And add some eggplant. Okay. บ่เบื่อตายบ่นี่ because ปนกันเลย everything ปนกัน okay. This little bit. Okay. My grandma always say หมักฝักเรือแห้งไก่แบบซีนหน่อยนะมันจะผักหลายนะalways make like this with the fish ปลาดุกบ้านเฮานะ you know. Let me taste what I need to put in here. Taste only salt, and let me add some fish sauce. Song บวงอันนี้แหละ 2 tablespoons อันนี้เนาะ the fish sauce and masky, okay. Chicken flavor because see like this I add little bit more chicken flavor. Okay, a tablespoon of chicken flavor, like MSG, less than teaspoon I think, really light, really small. And later on at the end I'm gonna add some pakitu and green onion kabua too, 1 big scoop like this. Okay, a little bit more. Little bit thick. See, look really yummy. After you add the sticky rice kabua in, and the soup kind of a little bit thicker. Okay? I like a little bit thicker. Eat with sticky rice is good. A little bit more. เป็นออมแบบนี้นะอัน original Lao food แบบ stew like this. Grandma always do like ขี้เล็กผักอีหุ่มบอก a lot of you know ปลาดุกใส่ไว้ you know, and a lot of stuff. When I do like this kind of food, and I miss my grandma a lot. She the one that taught me to do this thing, and my mom, whatever I used to eat with them, then I make like that, you know. Okay. Come back with me a little bit to do this. If you don't have a kabua, if you don't have the sticky rice, you can add some cornstarch if you want to try this one, okay? The same that like you make a stew. You see it, a little bit thick. Good, really good, you guys. But if you don't like to add MSG, you can add some sugar or chicken flavor. I know for sure all those they have MSG too. Alright guys, and after that I'm gonna add some green onion and cut into, okay? Smell. After you add a vegetable, it's more flavor. See? Oh my god, everybody. Really yummy. Little bit bitter because it's the noye. yummy เด้ turn off the heat okay that finally is my smoked pork hook with the noye or with the eggplant is done today. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Okay. Look good, really yummy. See that? Eat with hot sticky rice. You know. Oh my god. You know, for me, I'm the growing up with the sticky rice. Everything I have to eat with the sticky rice. It's good. Alright guys, if you like to try some at home, please do. Let me know how it turned out for you. It's really easy and simple. And if you like my channel, please subscribe for me and thumb up for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye. จะแซ่บปะอ้อหมูสมกใส่นอนแย่เด้อพี่น้อง